Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Boss. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create stunning marketing videos using an amazing tool called Pippit.ai. Do you want to make marketing videos, AI avatar videos, AI talking photos, AI product showcases, or even AI generated product designs? With Pippit.ai, you can do it all in just a few clicks. First, click the link in the description and create your free account on Pippit.ai. Once you log in, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard with several options. Marketing video, avatar video, AI talking photo, AI design, product photo, product showcase. Let's start with the marketing video option. Here you just need to type in a prompt describing what you want. You can also add media, links, or documents to guide the AI. For my first example, I'll type, I want to create a 45-second marketing video. After entering the prompt, I can select a style mode, such as gentle mode or light mode. Then customize the settings and hit generate. The AI will start creating the video, and in just a few moments, it's ready. Let's play it.
Sometimes, all it takes is one moment to change everything. Premium fabric that moves with you, cut to perfection. Every detail crafted for the woman who demands excellence. Bold red that commands attention wherever you go.
And here it is, a professional-looking marketing video, ready to download or share instantly. Now let's try another example, this time with an image. And tell Pippit.ai, create a marketing video. Once I hit generate, the AI processes the image and creates a sleek, professional-looking product video. And just like before, I can download it right away.
Want that perfect glass skin glow? Let me introduce you to something special. This glass skin renewal cream is designed for every skin type. The hydrating renewal formula nourishes and refreshes your skin beautifully.
It's really that simple. With Pippit.ai, you can create high-quality marketing videos in minutes without expensive software or editing skills. Next, let's explore the avatar video feature. With this option, you can create professional-looking AI avatar videos in just a few clicks. First, click on Avatar Video and then choose your favorite avatar from the wide selection available. Once you've picked one, click the Edit Script button. Here you can write your own script and also choose captions for your video. If you want more customization, click the Edit More button. This lets you fine-tune your video even further, from voice selection to scene adjustments. You can add captions, avatar text, audio files, element, and more. When you're happy with the results, click Export Video. The tool will process it, and in just a short while, your avatar video will be ready to watch, download, or share.
Hello everyone, I'm Anna, a 22-year-old graphic designer with a passion for creativity and visual storytelling. I love bringing ideas to life through design, whether it's for branding, social media, or digital content. Always exploring new styles and tools to keep my work fresh, engaging, and impactful.
Now, let's move on to talking photos. This feature is perfect for bringing still images to life. Just click the plus icon and upload your photo, or pick one from the sample images provided. I'll select this image, paste in my text, and then choose a voice from the available options.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
Welcome to Pippit.
You can also add captions if you want. Finally, click Export and Pippit.ai will turn your photo into a realistic talking video.
Hello everyone, I'm Andy, a 22-year-old graphic designer with a passion for creativity and visual storytelling. I love bringing ideas to life through design.
And here's the result. Pretty amazing, right? The link is in the description, so go ahead and try it for yourself. If you want to try it out, head to Pippit.ai. There's a limited offer running right now. Just use my promo code PIPPIT45 off for an exclusive discount. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.